Hi everyone, my name is Irinel de León. I'm a celebrity hairstylist based out of LA, but I'm originally from New York and I'm so excited to be here. So 3 tips that I have for your curls this summer is number 1, the vitamin C mask. Use this before the pool, before you get into the beach, before you go into the water. It'll help protect your hair and add an extra layer of protection before you get in the water. Number 2, the sea salt wave spray. It's amazing. I would probably use this after the pool or even at home when you're kind of wanting like a nice mermaid look. And my third and last tip would be to use the Refresh and Detangle spray. Sometimes it's hard to find a product to use after you get out of the water, when you're at the beach, when you're at the pool. This is perfect for that. It'll help hydrate your hair, it'll make it super soft, and it'll also add a lot of bounce and body to it and a little bit of definition without having to use like a cream or a gel at the pool or beach. So it's perfect, it's easy to use, it has this nice little spray bottle, and it's one of my favorites.